Meaning of furlong.
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 Furlong. A furlong is a unit of distance in imperial and U.S. customary systems. It represents 1/8 of a mile or 220 yards. Technically, it measures exactly 201.168 meters, but it is not commonly used in the metric system. The term furlong was originally used to describe the length of a furrow on 1 acre of plowed land and became standardized as a unit of measurement for horse racing tracks. Today, it is also used in agriculture, surveying, and some other specialized fields. Overall, a furlong is a historical and somewhat archaic unit of distance that is still used in certain contexts today.